Chit Chat English.
Hello. Are you waiting for the train?
Yes, I am. The train is late today.
Is this your first time at this station?
No, I come here every week.
Do you live in Brussels?
Yes, I live near the city center.
Is it always this rainy in Brussels?
Yes, it rains a lot here in spring.
Do you have an umbrella?
Yes, I always carry one in my bag.
Can I share your umbrella?
Of course. Come stand next to me.
What is your name?
My name is Sophie. What is yours?
My name is Lucas. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Lucas.
Where are you going today?
I am going to Paris. And you?
I am going to London. Is it far?
Yes, London is quite far from here.
Do you travel often?
Yes, I travel for work every week.
What do you do for work?
I am a marketing manager. And you?
I work as a software engineer.
Oh, that sounds interesting.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I enjoy it very much.
Is your train on time?
No, it is delayed by 20 minutes.
What time does your train leave?
It leaves at 3:15 in the afternoon.
Which platform is your train?
I think it is platform 7.
Do you need to buy a ticket?
No, I already have my ticket.
Is the station very busy today?
Yes, it is busier than usual.
Do you see the departure board?
Yes, I can see it from here.
Is Paris far from Brussels?
No, it is only about 1 hour by train.
Do you speak French?
Yes, a little. Do you speak it?
I speak a little French too.
Maybe we can practice together.
Do you like Brussels?
Yes, I love it. The city is beautiful.
What do you like most about it?
I love the chocolate and the waffles.
Do you like Belgian food?
Yes, especially the fries and the beer.
Is Brussels expensive to live in?
It is not cheap, but it is not too bad.
Do you have a family here?
Yes, my husband and 2 kids live here.
How old are your children?
They are 5 and 8 years old.
Do they go to school?
Yes, they go to a school near our home.
Is the school good?
Yes, we are very happy with it.
Do you speak English at home?
Sometimes. My husband is from England.
Oh, really? That is interesting.
Yes, so we mix French and English.
Is it confusing for the children?
Not really. They learn both easily.
Do you like the weather in Belgium?
Not always. It rains too much for me.
What is your favorite season?
I love summer. The days are long.
Do you go on holiday in summer?
Yes, we usually go to the south of France.
Do you drive or take the train?
We usually take the train. It is easy.
Is this train comfortable?
Yes, the lease trains are very nice.
Do you always sit in first class?
No, I sit in second class for work.
Do you bring food on the train?
Yes, I bring a sandwich and some fruit.
Is there a restaurant on the train?
Yes, there is a small bar car.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I drink 2 cups every morning.
Is there a coffee shop in this station?
Yes, there is one near the entrance.
Do you want to get a coffee before the train?
That sounds like a great idea.
Do you take milk in your coffee?
No, I drink it black, thank you.
Do you read on the train?
Yes, I always bring a book.
What kind of books do you like?
I like mystery and travel books.
Do you have a book with you now?
Yes, I have one in my bag.
What is it about?
It is about a detective in Paris.
Is it a good book?
Yes, I cannot put it down.
Do you watch films on the train?
Sometimes, if the trip is long.
Do you use headphones?
Yes, always. I do not want to disturb others.
Is your phone charged?
Yes, I charged it this morning.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, I love jazz and classical music.
Do you play any instruments?
I used to play the piano as a child.
That is wonderful. Do you still play?
No, not anymore. I don't have time.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I try to run 3 times a week.
Do you run in the park?
Yes, there is a lovely park near my house.
Is it easy to run in Brussels?
Yes, there are many parks and paths.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I love cooking and photography.
What do you like to cook?
Italian and Thai food, mostly.
Do you cook for your family?
Yes, I cook dinner every evening.
Is your husband a good cook too?
He is okay. He makes great sandwiches.
Do you like Italian food?
Yes, pasta is my favorite dish.
Is there a good Italian restaurant here?
Yes, there is one on the main square.
Have you been to Italy?
Yes, we went to Rome last summer.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes, it was absolutely wonderful.
What did you see in Rome?
We saw the Colosseum and the Vatican.
Is Rome beautiful?
Yes, it is one of my favorite cities.
Do you want to go back?
Yes, definitely. Next time with the kids.
Do your kids like to travel?
Yes, they love it. They are very curious.
What languages do they learn at school?
French, English, and a little Dutch.
Dutch is a difficult language.
Yes, but they are doing well so far.
Do you speak Dutch?
Only a few words, I am afraid.
Do you think English is difficult?
Not too hard if you practice every day.
How did you learn English?
At school and by watching English films.
Do you watch a lot of films?
Yes, mostly in the evenings after work.
What is your favorite film?
I love Amelie, but it is French.
Do you watch English films too?
Yes, I like romantic comedies.
Is the rain stopping?
I think it is getting a little lighter.
That is good news. I need to find my platform.
Let me check the board with you.
Oh, I see my train is now on platform 5.
And mine is on platform 3. We should go.
It was so nice talking to you, Sophie.
It was lovely talking to you too, Lucas.
Do you have a business card?
Yes, here you go. Do you have one?
Yes, I have one in my wallet. Here.
Thank you. Maybe we can have coffee in Paris.
I would love that. When are you in Paris?
I will be there next Thursday and Friday.
Perfect. I am free on Friday afternoon.
Let's plan something. I will send you a message.
Do you use WhatsApp or email?
I prefer WhatsApp. It is faster.
Great. I will add you now.
Wonderful. I look forward to it.
It was a happy coincidence to meet you today.
Yes, a rainy day can have a silver lining.
I hope your trip to Paris is good.
Thank you. I hope London is fun for you.
Have a safe journey, Sophie.
You too, Lucas. Take care.
Goodbye. See you in Paris.
Goodbye. See you very soon.